Andrea and Golston, lawmakers on both sides of the aisle agree the state needs to update its water systems and boost its ability to capture and save water to get some relief from drought, especially when major storms or atmospheric rivers dump rain across California. This may be one of the few pushes this year where we see Democrats and Republicans working together. As heavy rain and winds continue to pummel California, a sign is plastered on Assemblyman Devin Mathis's office door. More water storage now.
Let's get the storage done. Let's get it built.
Mathis, a Republican, recently filed a bill that would set statewide goals to increase above and below ground water storage capacity, 3.7 million acre feet by 2030, to eventually reach 4 million by 2040.
We have a renewed sense of urgency.
Those numbers did not come out of thin air, but straight out of a water-saving strategy Governor Gavin Newsom rolled out this summer when he warned the state could lose 10% of its water supply by 2040. Mathis says the bill is to hold him accountable to that plan and to help the state take advantage of heavy rainstorms.
We've all heard it our entire lives. You know, we need to build more water storage. We need to fix the canals. We need to do these things. Well, when are we going to stop talking about it, and when are we actually going to do it? This bill allows us the opportunity to do it.
Another lawmaker on the other side of the aisle working to address the issue, Democratic Assemblyman Chris Ward. Ward is proposing a measure that aims to expand the state's ability to capture water and update the state's water flows by tracking atmospheric rivers. Ward notes the system hasn't been updated in 20 years.
We have a flood plan in this state. We have a Central Valley flood plan.
Meanwhile, Governor Gavin Newsom and his administration say some of this work is already underway, with more than $8 billion earmarked to update the state's water systems.
We are deeply mindful of living in this new normal of extremes.
Now, Governor Gavin Newsom says he'll ask the legislature to set aside another $200 million to reduce the risk of flooding in urban areas and levee improvement projects. He's expected to present the first draft of his state budget tomorrow. Meanwhile, both Assemblyman Mathis and Ward tell us they look forward to looking at each other's proposals and potentially working together on the issue.